Gently I let go all my images of my body about my shape of my body.
慢慢的，我们忘记了我们的身形。
I am a product of my parents.
我只是我父母的一个综合体。
My parents' genes have gifted my body.
父母的基因决定了我们所行所样。
All external outside disturbance also doesn't bother me.
所有的外界干扰现在都干扰不了我。
Because my mind has brought under tremendous control by working on the breathing.
因为我们现在注意到的是我们的呼吸。
I mentally accept this body given by my parents.
我接受父母给予的这个身躯。
I accept the fact that whatever I can change, let me change.
我接受我能改变，我能成为自己想要成为的人。
Whatever I cannot change, let me accept that also.
就算是不能改变，我接受现在的自己。
I accept both qualities of my body and my mind.
我接受我身体和我的思维。
Each fingerprint is different for each person.
每个人就像单独的个体，就像世界上没有相同的叶子一样。
Why nature has not duplicated things? Why everything is unique?
为何世间万物均为独一无二？
That's the beauty of the nature.
这正是世间之美。
Nature doesn't have duplications.
生物不可能重复。
You'll find similarities but cannot find exactly the same in another person.
有相似，但不可能我们是一样的。
Even if twin babies are there, there will be at least little difference between those two babies.
就算是孪生，也有不同，何况是我们。
So, I gracefully accept myself as an unique creation in the nature.
我接受这独一无二的自己。
I completely accept myself to be a unique creation in this creation.
我完全的接受自己的独特，我不排斥它。
Now I know and accept the fact that I am unique.
现在我明白了自己的独一无二，并且乐意接受。
I am special.
我很特别。
So what should be or why I should be depressed based on my body, based on my figure, based on my nose, based on my eyes, based on my appearance?
不应以外形来干扰我们的心理。
I no need to worry of anything.
不需要再担心外形对我造成的不适。
My relaxed body is a witness of everything.
我这放松的身体是我独一无二的。
My relaxed mind has accepted everything.
我放松的思维接受我的一切。
With this relaxed body,
我这样放松，
I request my subconscious mind or inner mind
我驱使了我的潜意识去接受，
that let my body responds to the breathing techniques which I practice today.
我们去接受今天的呼吸训练。
Because body has a huge, natural, brilliant intelligence.
因为我们身体能适应世间万物，
Let my body correct myself.
让我的身体成为我的知己。
By using body's intelligence rather than my mind's intelligence.
依靠的是我们的锻炼。
Now slowly and gently
慢慢的、轻轻的，
imagine a big red balloon.
想象我们的身体变轻。
What is this balloon?
是什么这让我们变轻呢？
You are going to play a game with your mind.
我们就像在与我们的思维玩一个游戏。
You are going to imagine a red big balloon
去想象一片红色，
relax.
放松。
You're imagining a big red balloon.
有一个大大的气球，
This balloon has a special quality.
这个气球有很强的力量。
That this balloon can become big only by throwing your stress into the balloon.
可以吸收我们的压力，
How funny it is?
多么神奇的一个气球呀！
Let it be.
让它
It is,
吸走我们的压力吧。
it is just an imagination.
就正如我们想象一样，我们在变轻，
Let's play.
让我们继续与这个气球的游戏。
You're gently throwing your stresses into the balloon so that balloon will become bigger.
我们将我们的压力扔给它，
You're taking out all of your stresses, worries, tensions
我们
into
将
this balloon.
所有的压力、所有的情绪都扔给他。
Slowly start throwing one by one stresses.
把我们一个接着一个的情绪扔给这气球，让它变得越来越大。
Start throwing.
开始扔。
Just you are imagining that you are throwing your stress out into this balloon.
所有的压力都扔给他。
See that your all tension from your body is going out into this balloon.
把所有的负面情绪都扔给了他。
You're throwing, you're throwing, you're throwing.
扔啊扔，甩啊甩。
And balloon is becoming bigger and bigger by taking your stresses.
气球越长越大，越长越大。
See the balloon becoming bigger and bigger by taking all of your stresses out into this balloon.
它吸收了我们所有的压力，我们越变越轻。
Slowly and gently balloon size has increased.
它的体积变大了，那我们却变轻快了。
I'm giving you an imaginary thread into your hand. I'm giving something for you to tie the balloon.
我们把这气球封上，
You are tying the big red stress balloon.
把这个气球牢牢地封住。
Gently you tied the balloon, packed the balloon with all of your stresses, and you tied the mouth of the balloon.
我们的所有疼痛、所有疲惫都被锁在了气球里。
Slowly you are holding the balloon which is tied with your stresses into your right hand.
我们手握这个气球，
Oh, you look like a child holding a balloon.
仿佛回到了童年。我们轻快，我们年轻。
Imagine during your childhood you used to play with the balloon.
想象到童年时代的快乐。
Similarly, you are holding this balloon which is filled up with your stresses, worries.
将情绪、压力都给了他，我们又回到天真无邪的自己。
Now, holding this balloon in your hand, you are looking up towards the sky with your closed eyes.
我们随着这气球慢慢的升向天空。
The vast expansion of the sky, limitless sky.
这浩瀚无边的天空，我们向里飞去。
With that expansion and awareness of the sky within your heart,
就像我们无尽的未来。
you are slowly letting this balloon go out of your hand and you are letting it fly away.
我们放开了这气球，让它飞呀飞呀。
You see this big red stress balloon?
让这充满了我们所有情绪、所有负面情绪的气球越飞越远。
Slowly flying away from you, taking away all of your stresses.
伴随着我们的压力，它逐渐消失。
Just like
就像
your spring festival light, you send it away.
我们的红灯越飞越远。
Just like hot air balloon, this stress balloon is going far away from you, taking away all of your stresses.
带着我们所有的不安，带着我们所有的负面情绪，而带来的是希望。
Slowly and gently, this big red stress balloon is looking smaller and smaller.
逐渐消失在我们视野中。
Slowly and gently, finally disappear into the vast sky.
最终被这无尽的天空吞
Taking,
没殆尽。
it has taken away all of your stresses and worries from your mind and body.
现在我们完全的没有了压力。
What a wonderful technique you have learned.
多么舒适啊！
Whenever you are stressed, you are just lying down.
当我们劳累时，我们就躺下，
And you imagine this big red stress balloon and fill all of your stress into this and throw it into the sky. And you are imagining this.
就这样去想象我们的脾气、我们的不安等等的负面情绪，就一样一样的扔给这气球。
Whenever you're stressed up, whenever you're tired, exhausted, you can try this technique, simple technique and most beautiful technique.
都可以去训练，就像红灯带走的是压力，给予的是希望。
After throwing away all my stress, my body becomes deeply relaxed and mind is very calm.
带走了负面的，迎来了清晰的，我们完全的清晰的自己一样。
I can feel my entire body deeply relaxed, all the muscles are relaxed.
能感受到我们的身体已经没有了疼痛。
Now, with this deep relaxation, you're slowly coming back to your body awareness.
慢慢的，我们恢复知觉，
Gently move your toes and fingers so that you are aware and alert from the closed eyes.
稍稍的动动自己的脚和手，来恢复自己的意识。
Wonderful.
多么舒适啊！
Very good.
非常舒适。
Becoming alert from within.
慢慢的，从内部我们警觉起来。
Without opening your eyes, you turn towards right side.
随着闭眼，我们转向右侧，
Take your right hand on the top of your head.
右手在上，
Fold your body like a child. Your chest touching your knees.
像孩童一样蜷缩起来，感受自己的膝盖。
Slowly stretch into the opposite direction of your childlike posture.
就这样舒适的伸展。
Stretch your legs straight and then go a little backwards.
伸直身体，稍微的往后弯曲。
Or stretch yourself however you are comfortable. Stretch your hands up and legs down.
就像懒腰一样，我们往后拉，
Very slowly turn towards right side.
慢慢的、慢慢的转向右侧。
And keeping your eyes closed, you are slowly coming to a sitting posture. You are not going to open your eyes yet.
还别张开眼，慢慢的起身。
Sitting quietly for about 30 seconds, you are observing your breath with the closed eyes. You are not going to open your eyes, you just feel the magic of this last moment. Don't open your eyes, you feel the magic.
闭上眼，闭上眼，去感受这种
Close your eyes, be aware of your breathing.
舒适感，舒适。我们注意呼吸，闭上眼睛，更好的去感知。
Close your eyes, don't open your eyes yet.
还别张开眼，还别张开眼。
Very slowly within your heart of the heart, you are imagining that you are seeing the world with a new awareness.
闭上眼，我们去想象，我们看待这个世界以一个崭新的视野。
What is that awareness?
什么感觉？
Awareness is you're completely relaxed and you're seeing the world with new relaxed awareness.
应该是就像孩童一样，新的感知。
Don't open your eyes yet, gently rub your hands.
搓搓手，看在眼睛，
Generate enough heat between your hands, keep it on your eyeballs.
放在脸颊，
Very slowly
滑
release
下
your
来。
hands down. Now with very few blinks, gently open your eyes and see the world with a new awareness and
轻
relaxation.
轻眨眼，看待这个世界。
You look at each other with completely relaxed awareness and compassion in your heart of the heart. You show the compassion in your heart to the person next to you or
相互看看，将我们的友善传递给他。
no, you're not joking. You are just looking at each other with a tremendous of love and compassion in your heart.
充满了爱意。
Okay?
接受，现在啊。
Say one Om and three Shanti Mantra, we close the
好
session.
，Om，上提上提，
Take a deep breath in.
吸气。
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you very much for making this class successful because it is not planned.
家，因为这场课。